Hello everybody and welcome back to CJL Aviation. Today I will be unboxing the GeminiJets 1/400 scale Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 in the Freedom 1 livery. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these awesome videos. And let's jump right on into this. Alrighty, first off we got the front of the box. We got a wonderful picture of that livery. It's a real beauty, that's for sure. Got some little information, highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear, all that good stuff. Just some more info on the side, more and more, as real as it gets. Now let's get to that good stuff and open up the inside. On a side note, if you're wondering where I got that beautiful airport mat behind us, I actually designed that and printed it myself. It's available for purchase on my Etsy shop, which I will link in the description. This is actually an older version, but there's a newer version on there that includes service roads and more details. But it only costs $5 for a digital print, so I'd highly recommend checking that out. But anyways, let's open this on up. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Got to take that plastic wrap on there. It looks like stayed pretty nice and safe while they're shipping it, but let's get some of this stuff moved out of the way. Here we go. Here's our first look at that Southwest Airlines Freedom 1 livery. Looks very beautiful on the 737, especially with the split scimitar winglets. I think those always make any 737 look good, but lots of detail on here. The colors are beautiful. The blue looks a little darker on camera. It's really a nice navy blue color. But they've even got the Southwest heart next to the door, which is an awesome detail. We've got all the little antennas, the satellite connection, all of that on top of the aircraft. The little wing canoes painted red, so it looks very good. Let's take a look at the bottom of that aircraft. We've got the Southwest Airlines heart underneath there. Once again, great detail. My landing gear, they're a little crooked, so I don't know if that was manufacturing or if that was just traveling here on the mail truck, but either way, it still looks good. GeminiJets logo, and of course the flag continues underneath the plane, and I love that they included all the details underneath the plane. It's just another great part of GeminiJets. They love to pay attention to that detail, and you know, these engines, they even look very good from behind, so kudos to them. And we've also got the hole in the bottom of the plane in case you want to put it on an airplane stand. But yeah, these engines from the side look very good as well, and I would say that this is a very good aircraft, highly detailed. I would even say it's better than the NG models version of this. I think the color is just spot on, so highly recommend that. But let me give you some more beautiful shots of this aircraft. I'll be right back. I would say that this is one of the greatest model aircraft liveries of all time. I highly recommend purchasing it. Adding it to your collection will be a great addition to your Southwest fleet and just to your collection in general. The attention to detail is just so amazing. I just can't get over how great of a job GeminiJets did. But thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, please subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. And comment down below on whether or not you think this is one of the greatest liveries of all time. But once again, if you want to purchase this airport mat, you can get a digital download for only $5. from my Etsy store, so feel free to check out that link in the description. But I hope you all have a wonderful day. Happy flying!